Welcome back. Well, it's happened to almost all of us at one time or another. You get into an accident, but whether it's your fault or not, do you know what to do? And more importantly, what you should be doing. Raymond Pacello Jr. is an attorney with Strong Arm Legal Centers. Okay, so you're involved in an accident. What's the first thing that you need to do when you get out of the car?
I think you need to go over to the other side and make sure everybody is okay and obtain their insurance information. If someone's injured, you need to contact the police so an ambulance can be sent to the scene.
And as far as, you want to be careful, too, how much you say at the scene.
Yeah, you don't want to divulge, what did you do or talk about the facts of the accident too much. You just want to get the information that you're required to disclose by law.
Right. And tell police what happened.
Yes.
But don't talk to the other party too much as far as the facts of the case.
Yeah, that will be subsequently investigated.
Gotcha. Now, pretty surprising to me, but you say that a lot of people really don't know their rights, don't know what their rights are when they get involved in an accident.
Yeah, that's true. Most people don't know exactly what their legal rights and remedies are. Under the law, you're entitled to what we call damages. Damages is just a legal word for compensation for lost wages, medical expenses, and there's something else that's called general damages, which most people learn, called pain and suffering. The things that follow the injury, like a single mother not being able to put her 3-year-old on a swing because she hurt her back in a car accident. The construction worker who has a rotator cuff tear can't swing a hammer and put food on the table. Those are the things that go into a general damage element.
And of course, we're talking about cases where it's not your fault. When it's your fault,
right? Yeah,
you're going to be covered by your own insurance, but not by the other party's insurance.
No, obviously it results from someone else's carelessness, whether it be another driver or corporation. That's when you need to, I think, employ the services of an attorney.
Yeah, and I was going to say, I mean, how do you know exactly when you need an attorney? I mean, if it's just a fender bender or a more serious accident, where's the threshold there?
I think the threshold lies within the nature and extent of the injury. If someone, whether it's a single person or a family member that's out of work, let's say for a month, they can't pay, their mortgages, they need help. And that's when you need to contact an attorney and see what your rights are. Now,
you guys at Strong Arm Legal Center, you guys specialize in personal injury cases, right? Tell us what makes your firm different and why people should contact you if they get into an accident.
Strong Arm Legal is about helping people. I mean, that's what personal injury lawyers do. We help people because we're going to be with someone. Sometimes cases could take 2 years, sometimes it could take 3 years. So we need to get to know the person, need to really understand how it's affected or impacted their daily life. Because every life is different. And that's why there's the art of the lawyer that comes in to advocate that on behalf of the client. I believe our philosophy comes down to 3 things. It's access, advice, and advocacy. We provide access to the legal system because most people don't know that you don't have to pay a personal injury attorney up front to retain their services. We handle cases.
They collect it on the back end when the case is settled.
Right. It's called a contingency fee.
Right.
So we provide access to the legal system. We also provide advice. While the term may seem self-explanatory, we have to give clients what their rights are so they can make an educated decision, what their options are.
And really quickly, a lot of people get into an accident and they don't know how long they have to file the statute of limitations, how long they have to file the actual case. What is the statute of limitations if you do get into a car accident in California?
Car accident cases, the general rule is 2 years. But there are certain circumstances in which that time period is shortened, such if you're injured by a public entity. Let's say you're hit by an MTS bus. You only have 6 months to file a claim within which they have a decision to accept or reject a claim, and then you only have a certain amount of time thereafter to file a lawsuit.
And how can people get a hold of you guys?
You can contact us on our website at strongarmlegal.com. We have a toll-free number, 1-888-278-1378.
All right, perfect. Raymond Pacello Jr., thanks so much for being with us. Some great information.
Thank you for having me.
All right. And for more information, you can always go to our website, san diego6.com.